Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to add trusted connections on Roblox so your account stays safer and easier to recover if you ever lose access. Trusted connections are people you allow to help confirm your identity, which adds an extra layer of account security. First, open Roblox and log into your account. After that, click the gear icon in the top corner and go to Settings. From there, open the Security section. Depending on your account region or update version, you may see options related to account protection, trusted contacts, or recovery methods. To add someone, choose a trusted friend or family member who already has a Roblox account and whom you know personally. Send the request through the Trusted Connections option and wait for them to accept it. Once accepted, they may help verify your identity during account recovery situations. Before adding anyone, make sure you fully trust that person because account security is very important. Never add random players from games or chat messages. It is also smart to enable two-step verification and add a verified email address for even better protection. After saving the changes, your Roblox account will have stronger recovery support and improved security against unauthorized access or login problems later on. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.